Hey guys, I wanted to take you through a 15-minute workout. All it takes is 15 minutes of your day. If you have that, I want to show you a great leg workout that you can do at home. 35 seconds of work, 25 seconds of rest. 5 rounds, 3 movements. We're going to start off with just grabbing a dumbbell and a chair. If you have both of those, that's all we need. You're going to grab your dumbbell, and the first movement you're going to do is the hip extension. You take your chair. You're going to sit on your chair. You're going to have your dumbbell. Your back is right below on the pad. Your shoulder blades are right above the pad. You're going to be here. Your toes are slightly out. You're going to come down and extend and squeeze up. Relax your neck. Come up and extend and squeeze every rep. That's going to be for 35 seconds. Once the timer hits and you're on 25 seconds rest, you're going to grab your dumbbell. You're going to go right into a sumo stance, toes out. You're going to come down, keeping the chest up, and squeeze your glutes right at the top of every rep. And then the last one you're going to do is grab your dumbbell, hold it tight under your chin. Bring your hips slowly all the way back. As the next timer hits, 35 seconds, you're going to extend your hips. Hinge at the hips and squeeze your glutes at the top of every rep. Then when the timer hits, you get your rest, you go back to the top, hip extension, back to sumo, back to good morning. 5 sets, you're done in 15 minutes. Great workout. 15, 20, or 25-pound dumbbell is great. One if you have it, and get it on and let me know how you do.